When people imagine Tyrannosaurus rex, they often picture a solitary predator stalking its prey across open plains, much like a modern tiger. However, recent fossil discoveries and biomechanical studies suggest that its behavior may have been far more complex, with possibilities ranging from territorial dominance to cooperative group living. While direct evidence of dinosaur behavior is rare due to the limitations of the fossil record, scientists have pieced together several clues that offer fascinating insights into how T-Rex may have lived, interacted, and survived in its environment. For much of the 20th century, paleontologists believed T-Rex was primarily a solitary hunter. This interpretation was influenced by the sheer size and predatory nature of the animal. A full-grown T-Rex could reach lengths of over 40 feet and weigh nearly 9 tons, making it difficult to imagine multiple adults coexisting peacefully in close proximity without constant conflict over food or territory. The logic followed that, like modern big cats, such as tigers, T-Rex would patrol large hunting ranges alone, meeting others of its kind only for mating purposes or during disputes. Its massive energy requirements, needing hundreds of pounds of meat per day, further supported the idea that solitary hunting would reduce competition within the species. However, in the last few decades, new evidence has challenged this assumption. Fossil sites containing multiple T-Rex individuals have raised the possibility that they were at least somewhat social. For example, a famous fossil site in Canada, known as the Tyrannosaur Death Pit, revealed several juvenile and adult tyrannosaur skeletons found together, leading some scientists to propose that they may have lived or hunted in groups. While critics argue that these fossils may simply have been brought together by natural events like flooding, others point out that the repeated discovery of such groupings in different locations suggests a pattern rather than coincidence. If true, this would mean that T-Rex may have exhibited some level of pack behavior, similar to wolves or lions, cooperating in hunts to take down massive herbivores like Triceratops or Edmontosaurus. The idea of social hunting among T-Rex is both controversial and exciting. On one hand, group hunting would have provided significant advantages. Coordinated attacks could increase success rates, especially against large, dangerous prey, capable of injuring or killing a lone predator. Younger, faster individuals might have been used to herd prey toward adults, who would then deliver the killing bite. This division of labor would mirror the cooperative strategies seen in some modern predators. On the other hand, skeptics argue that T-Rex's anatomy, especially its large size and individual strength, suggests it did not need cooperation to overpower prey. They propose instead that groups of T-Rex may have congregated at carcasses, much like crocodiles today, tolerating one another's presence while feeding but not actively cooperating. Beyond hunting, T-Rex likely exhibited other social behaviors, especially related to communication and dominance. Fossil evidence of healed bite marks on T-Rex skulls indicates that individuals sometimes fought each other, possibly over territory, mates, or food. These injuries suggest face-biting behavior, which is also observed in modern predators like crocodiles and big cats. Such confrontations may have been ritualized displays of dominance, with physical contests determining which individual gained access to resources. Unlike predators that rely solely on killing rivals, these face-biting contests appear to have been non-lethal most of the time, allowing the loser to retreat and survive for future opportunities. Communication among T-Rex is another intriguing area of study. With its massive skull, resonating chambers, and potential for low-frequency vocalizations, it is possible that T-Rex produced deep rumbling sounds, similar to those made by modern elephants or alligators, which could travel long distances. These calls might have been used to claim territory, attract mates, or communicate with offspring. Some scientists even suggest that T-Rex may have had a keen sense of hearing, adapted to detect such low-frequency sounds, further supporting the idea of vocal communication within the species.